What if I told you that I had absolutely no desire to become a full-time content creator? What if I told you that for my entire life, I thought and figured my entire destiny was going to be in automotive? What if I told you that I actually had no clue that this lifestyle was even possible? Well, I'm David Moss Jr. This is my story, and I'm a full-time content creator. And I'm going to tell you this entire thing uncut, unedited, no B-roll. So this is straight from my heart as a part of the Creator's Playbook, because I want to encourage you. I want to give you, if you're watching this, some encouragement that if you ever had any small desire inside you to become a content creator, I just want to encourage you to just go ahead and start, because you have no idea where this lifestyle can take you. Let me give you a little example. So for the past 20 years, I was in automotive. This has been 6 months now since I left that career and have become a full-time content creator. I'm not telling you this to encourage you to quit your job. I'm telling you this because as human beings, we desire challenges. I truly felt like I wasn't being challenged enough. And I always try to put myself into uncomfortable positions where I have to challenge myself. I started doing CrossFit because I wasn't feeling challenged enough at the gym. I started getting into cold water because I just wasn't feeling mentally challenged. And that was such a mental challenge. I started ramping up the heat in saunas because I felt like infrared saunas just weren't challenging enough. And I felt like I needed a challenge. So when I started putting content out and I started filming myself and I started learning how to edit and film and talk to a camera and just be me and be vulnerable and lower my guard and my walls and let you into my life, it was a challenge. And it still is every single day, but I embrace that challenge. I run to that challenge and I absolutely love that challenge. Every single time something pops in my head and I'm like, I have to create that. And then all these emotions come up because it's like all the things that YouTube tells you is you got to make the perfect thumbnail. You've got to make the perfect title. You've got to make the perfect content. You've got to have the perfect script. What if I told you I never scripted any of my videos? What if I told you that the second I have to start scripting my videos, I'm going to quit? Because I want you to know my heart. I want you to know my reactions. I want you to feel me, my vibe, who I am. It's crazy because like every time something creative pops in my head and I'm like, I got to put this on camera. I've got to create this. I see this. I want this to come to life. All I care about is getting one view on that video. I want one person. I want you to see that video. And if one person saw a video and I solved their problem and I helped them make a decision, whether to buy or not buy a product that I might be reviewing, whether to try or not try a protocol that I might be talking about, that to me is the ultimate win. I just want to help. And here's the coolest thing. I want to tell you guys this because like it's been a crazy week. There's been a lot of absolutely crazy conversations that have came up this week. It's been such a blessing. God has totally been, he's had his hand on my life. He's had his hand on this entire journey. And I'm so grateful for you for watching my videos, for subscribing to the channel, for liking the videos, for engaging and commenting. I love this. I love this growth. This has been super duper fun. But I want to share something with you. I've had some opportunities here recently where companies, not the one I'm in a sweat tent right now, a sweat tent sauna, and it's awesome. And my camera's probably going to overheat here in a second. What I love about this is like I was able to, because of what we've created on this YouTube channel, being able to review and talk about different products. Like Sweat Tent reached out to me and I didn't think this was going to be that cool. When they sent it to me, I thought this was going to be just a silly little tent. It wasn't going to work. It was going to burn down and it wasn't going to make a difference in anybody's life. But since then, Sweat Tent has sold out of product. There's been so much growth in their company, some new products coming out, and just so much positive stuff has happened. And more importantly, where I used to think you had to spend $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 to have a good sauna, more importantly, like this is an incredible budget-friendly option for people who want a full hot sauna, but don't have the budget to go spend all that money on a big wooden barrel sauna, which are great too. And it's been so cool. It's been so cool to be able to talk about products that are affordable and products that can change people's lives and products that can help people. And I absolutely love what I get to do. And I want to share some information with you. Part of the reason I'm making this video is kind of a pledge to my audience, my pledge to you. I have had offers where companies have offered me a lot of money to go exclusive with them, to only talk about their products. And one thing I want you to know is that is a big no-no for me. And that is a big part of the reason I started doing what I do. I want to show options. I want to give you all the options. Any good option that I can find and review, I want to share that with you. And I want to let you make the decision to purchase it or not purchase it, to try it or not try it. I'm never going to tell you you have to buy this because that's not authentic and that's not who I am. I want you to buy what's best for you. I want you to build what's best for you. I want you to try what you feel is best for you. So that's my pledge to you. I just wanted you to know that from my heart. I've never signed an exclusivity with any brand. I will not. That's not part of my plan. That's not part of what I want to do, because I feel like if you sign an exclusivity and you're exclusive, meaning you can only talk about one brand from that moment forward, then I feel like the review is no longer a review. It's a sales pitch. And that's not what I want to do. So I just want you guys to know that when I talk about products, it's because I get the opportunity to review them, and I have full right to say anything I want to say about those products. If there's any products you feel like I need to be reviewing, or if there's any protocols, products, or experiments that you want me to put out there for you and for the world, post that down in the comments below. Give me the ideas. Give me some of the advice. I actually read every comment. I love it. I love engaging with you, and I'm super grateful for the engagement back. So this is my story. This is part of the Creator's Playbook. I just wanted to encourage you that if you're somebody out there and you're passionate about something and you haven't been sharing it, man, you might be the perfect person for one person somewhere around the world. You might be the perfect voice for one person somewhere around the world. You might change somebody's life somewhere around the world. Don't put yourself in a box. Don't sell yourself short. Look at this. This is crazy. This is my full-time job now. I literally get to make content. I literally get to travel. I literally get to experiment with these products that I absolutely love. I literally get to hang out with my kids who are just the best. I'm super grateful. This has been a crazy, crazy ride in a world where a lot of people are quitting because of the stress, where a lot of people are leaving creating content because they've turned it into a business. I'm a solopreneur, as they say. I don't have an editor. I edit every video. I don't have a videographer. I shoot every video. I don't have a script writer. I come straight from the heart, and you get to see my real reactions when I'm reviewing products and when I'm talking about protocols. I also open my whole house up to showing you my life and my family. And man, this kind of makes me a little bit emotional. I am just super grateful for you. I'm grateful for you watching this all the way through. I've got something pretty big that's coming. I'm launching the Creator's Playbook, where I'm going to literally walk you through every mistake I made and everything that I have done to grow this, to make this my full-time job, and to provide me with the ability to take care of my family. Like, I'm not trying to go crazy and rule the world and make $1 million every single day. I just want to help you and be able to support my family. That's truly my goal. And I'm going to create a playbook called the Creator's Playbook by David Moss Jr. And that will be live probably within the next 3 or 4 weeks. Got some big things in the works. I want to make it super fun and super easy for everybody, whether you are just starting out trying to create content and just want to figure out, is this something you should even pursue? Or really, my target audience for this is going to be people who already have an established YouTube channel and already have an audience and want to be able to help them more. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about, right? These kids are awesome. I'm going to go hang out with my kids. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was 100% no edits, just going to post it and hope for the best. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, guys, and God bless.